Hi guys, this video is to show you on how to run your ABC report for each day part. Very simple to do. You simply go to your back office computer and then you look for the fast track application for the drive-through timer. It says fast track on it. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it'll open up the application or the software. And then once the software is open, the first thing you got to do is make sure you download the information from the timer on the front line down to your back office PC. And the way you do that is you look for the download tab, usually in the middle of the software. If you can see right here, it says download. Click on download, and then it'll populate or it'll open up a box where it'll have your unit number. So make sure your store number is highlighted. In this case, it's 1105. Make sure it's highlighted, and then you click on the single site tab right here. Click on it, and it'll start downloading the information from the timer on the front line down to your back office PC. So now it sent all the information to your computer there. Once it's done, it'll say auto report complete or download complete or report complete. Any of those things is fine as long as it says it completed the process. Go ahead and hit exit. Once you're done with that, it'll open up a report. You don't need that report. What you need to do is you need to go to the reports tab. The reports tab is on the top on the right. It should just say reports. Click on reports. It'll open up another box, and then you're looking for the one that says standard reports because you're just running a standard report. So click on standard reports. Once it does that, it opens a box for you to do your make your choices of what you want to run. And what we're trying to do here is get the ABC for, let's say, Tuesday. So then you pick Tuesday's day. Tuesday was the 10th. So click on the box and make sure the date is correct. So that's Tuesday. If you wanted to get Wednesdays, you put Wednesday the 11th. If you wanted Thursdays, you do the 12th, and so on and so on. But in this case, for this example, we're going to check Tuesday's date, which was the 10th. We just make sure it's clicked on that calendar day. And then we look for what day part we want. Now on the day parts, it doesn't say breakfast, lunch, afternoon, dinner. It says day part 1, day part 2, day part 3, day part 4, day part 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it also has hourly, and then it has for the day. And once you click on it again, it starts all over again. Again, day part 1 is breakfast, and day part 2 is lunch, and that's the day part we're looking for. I sent you the information through the email on the guide on the day parts, that way you don't get confused. But again, it's very simple. The first day part is breakfast. The second day part is lunch. The third day part is afternoon. The fourth one is dinner, and the fifth one is late night. Very simple. But anyways, so we're looking for, again, the 10th. Make sure it's clicked on. Make sure we're looking for lunch, so it's day part 2. Once that's done, very simple, just click on create ODR, which is right underneath it. Just click on it, and it'll create the report. It'll start crunching the numbers together, and sure enough, there it is. Then just click on it to magnify it a little bit better. And then on the top will always be the day you're actually running the report. So today's the 13th at 10:25 in the morning. That's the date that's on top. But the date you're interested in checking, make sure is the right day, is the one right in the middle right there. That's the date that should be that you picked. In this case, I picked the April 10th, and it is April 10th, and I picked lunch, so make sure it is from 10:30 to 2, and it does say from 10:30 to 2, and it is the 10th, so I know that the date is correct. This information on this report will be the line time, which the line time for lunch. But what we're looking for today is the ABC total for the window time. So the report will always have the menu time, it'll have the greet time, and then it'll have the window 2 time, which is the ABC time. And that's what we're looking for. So if you look here, it says window 2, and it has a number of cars that were A, B, C's, and D's. And then it also has the percentage, and that's what we're looking for, so the ABC percent. So at this location, window 2, ABC parameters, we have the A's were 6, the B's were 64, and the C's were 14. So that's 6 plus 64 is 70, plus 14 makes it 84. So this was 84 ABC for lunch. And again, the ABC will always be window 2. And if for some reason you wanted to find the line time's up here also too, right there. Anyway, so the ABC is window 2, right there. Just add up the percentages, which is the last column, and that's how you get the ABC percent for the day part. And if you wanted another day part like afternoon or dinner or breakfast or whatever, again, you would just toggle through the day parts to see which one you wanted. So for example, I'll do one more. Let's say I wanted to do Tuesday's dinner ABC percent. So dinner happens to be day part 4. So I click on day part 4, that means it's dinner. I'm looking for Tuesday's dinner ABC, and then I just hit on create ODR again, Just click on it again. It'll run the report, run the numbers together, and it should populate a report. There it is. And just magnify it. And again, I'm making sure it's the same day. It's the 10th. It is from 5 to 8. That's dinner time. And I go down to the window 2, which is the ABC time. I go to the last column on that window 2 area. And here we have the ABC. So we have the ABC was 7 and 44 Bs and 33 Cs. So that's a total of 83%. So the ABC for dinner on the 10th, that Tuesday, was 83%. And that's how you do it. Very easy. If you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to call me, text me, or email me, and I can answer them for you. Thank you.